Let's move on to some other stories that are just coming in. In fact, what we are learning is that 2 days after the tragic deaths happened in Ghatkopar, Prime Minister Modi is in fact scheduled to hold a rally in just a short while from now. The roadshow will cover 2.5 kilometers in distance and will start at around 8 p.m. The Prime Minister will also be campaigning for BJP's Mihir Kotecha, who's contesting from the Mumbai Northeast constituency. But before his Ghatkopar roadshow, the Prime Minister will be addressing a rally first at Dindori and then at Kalyan. Anurag Joshi, my colleague, is here with the latest in terms of preparations that are going on. Anurag, if you can hear me, can you tell me the kind of enthusiasm that voters or people who have gathered around you to see a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi's rally, the Prime Minister and of course the other leaders that he'll be joined by? Give us a sense of the kind of preparations that are around you. How are people reacting? Have you spoken to people?
We have been here since the afternoon and the tempo is just building, the momentum is just building and the crowds are just building and it's just becoming very exuberant and very noisy here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing a road show in Mumbai today and this is 5 days ahead of the voting in India's financial hub on May 20, and we see there are supporters of BJP and also the Shiv Sena and the NCP Ajit Pawar group, and there are plenty of them, and there are a lot of people in Ghatkopar, which is in northeast Mumbai, which have gathered over here. Now this is a very long stretch of road. If you can see, it's a very long stretch of road, and you have people lined up all across, and just across the road you'll have Prime Minister Modi's road show going. I will now pass it on to my colleague Aishwarya, who can give you a mood check and some more granular details about what's happening here.
Thank you very much. In case you can gather and speak to supporters, do give us a sense of, do get them to speak on camera on what are they really expecting, what are the big poll issues to also expect from. Meanwhile, let me go across to Aishwarya now, who's also tracking this on the route on which Prime Minister Modi is to sort of come on. Aishwarya, what do you have for us?
Right here, there's a little girl who has made this small drawing for Modi ji, and a lot of other followers and people who really admire Prime Minister Modi have come here. Of course, someone actually made a painting of his mother as well earlier on this afternoon. Apart from that, as you see, everyone around is sloganeering, which means they're showing their support and the cheer for the Prime Minister as well. We'll speak to a few people here. Prime Minister, Mumbai आए हैं, आपकी इच्छाएं क्या है? What are your expectations from the Prime Minister for the city of Mumbai and Maharashtra on the whole?
नहीं, अभी जो मुंबई में जो काम बाकी है वो हमारी यही इच्छा है कि वो जो रास्ते का काम है और जो बाकी विकास का काम है वो मोदी जी को हम और 400 पार कराएंगे तो और वो ज्यादा फास्ट में वो काम कर सकें।
ऐसी कौन सी चीजें जो आप चाहते हैं कि मोदी जी मुंबई में एग्जीक्यूट करें? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को लेकर, कनेक्टिविटी को लेकर क्या चाहते हैं?
नहीं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेन है और ये हमारे विपुल भाई है, वो बताएंगे।
अब की बार 400 पार मोदी सरकार ये भी आई हुई है मोदी के सपोर्ट में। बोलो मोदी मोदी मोदी।
Well, as you can see, everyone from small infants to the old are here. They've all congregated, and of course, the phase 5 of the elections happens on 20th of May. What happens after that is we'll see the clash of the two clans, which is the Maha Vikas Aghadi, but also the Grand Alliance, the Mahayuti. These two particular India bloc-led and BJP-led governments is something that we'll look forward to post June 4th. But so far, this is what it looks like from Modi's rally right here in Ghatkopar. Although what we see is that just few meters away from here, 2 kilometers away from here, is where the billboard crashed. But we've made a grand welcome to Prime Minister. Despite that, just 2 days after the billboard collapsed. Back to you, Sumita.
Right, Aishwarya, and of course we'll keep coming back to you for more details as and when that rally really starts and when the Prime Minister's address starts. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister, while addressing a rally in Nashik's Dindori, he took a swipe at the opposition's Maha Vikas Aghadi, saying that the fake Shiv Sena Udham faction and fake NCP Sharad Pawar faction will eventually merge into the Congress. In fact, that's one of the key poll planks that the BJP has been fighting on as far as its Maharashtra campaign is concerned. The Prime Minister has also spoken repeatedly of the fact that it's very confident of the party getting a majority, a brute majority, 400 plus seats, 400 par is what the Prime Minister has been saying for a while now. In fact, party leaders have been saying the Prime Minister, of course, will be holding a roadshow in Mumbai today, for which, in fact, traffic authorities have also announced various road disclosures and diversions have also been announced. Meanwhile, as you can see on the other sides of your screens, the Prime Minister, along with, of course, Maharashtra Chief Minister, and of course, those are the visuals of people who thronged to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, and of course, the other party leaders who will be joining him to be part of this rally, this address. Remember, he is, of course, going to be addressing from the same spot where just day before yesterday, some hoardings came and of course fell on people, injuring several people. This is going to be the same spot. Preparations are of course underway. People have gathered, thronged to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister and what he has to say in his address. What are going to be the several poll issues? What is he going to be speaking about? We'll have to see when he speaks in of course the Ghatkopar area, and of course we'll be keeping a close watch on that. But for now, moving on, let's take a quick.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.